How to trade bullish engulfing. Today, Monday, July 14, right here in this with this red candle, the price opened, and this is, as you can see, bullish engulfing because this candle involved the previous candle, complete the previous candle involved is entering call start off right here. Um, However, this bullish engulfing it didn't work properly. It didn't work well because from here the price made a pullback. Um, the price goes up. I exit with four green candle with a small profit because I got a here. I exit right here. I was waiting for right here four green candle in road. However, the price made a pullback. Um, I made like 20% profit. That's it. It's not it's not too much. It's something. From here the price went up, but I didn't see any good pattern to getting in this in call. I didn't see any bullish engulfing. So I only take one trade because as you can see the price went up, but nothing really to trade, nothing interested to get in the market. If I remember tomorrow, Tuesday, July 16, will be another day.